Okay, in this video we'll be learning about Boyle's Law. What is Boyle's Law? Okay, in Boyle's Law it states that if you have a container and it's a constant temperature, the pressure will be increasing if the volume is decreased. If the volume is increased, then the pressure decreases. They're inversely proportional. Okay, so let's put in some particles in there. So there they go. So the next amount so that it can be much better we have there. So let me put a collision counter also so we can see how much of them are colliding at this present time. Notice that our temperature is 27 degrees. So temperature. Okay, so that's our temperature here. We want to keep our temperature constant, and so if you notice here we have our pressure around this point. We are not adding anything, so there's no temperature change. Nothing can't happen with the temperature right now, so the temperature is going to remain constant. Now let me put my width of my container. So disregard the size of it, it's just an example. So if I decrease my container size, remember that the pressure, right? The pressure has increased. If I increase my volume size, then the pressure is decreased. So when pressure goes up, volume goes down. Or when pressure is up for one, they will do the opposite whenever they change. So here, big volume, small pressure. Small volume, big pressure. Okay, and let's see what's the collision there. You see that the collision here is going to be larger compared to that of a bigger volume. Why? Because the particles here have more space to roam about to hit in the container, while here, if we decrease it, the amount of particle or matter is still in there, but they have less space to be running about, so they hit the container much more often. And so this is what we call Boyle's Law. Now we'll be looking at some examples on how to work Boyle's Law and solve problems with Boyle's Law. This was just an introduction given the container a simulator, because we are in COVID, and so we are going to make this use of this method